1977 Corvette.
Keep an eye out for them and head on over to the kids zone. I'm sure you'll have a blast up there. I believe they have face painting as well. So it'll be a lot of fun. I know the kids had a lot of fun yesterday. Also,
Oh, another station
get
wagon.
your souvenir t-shirt and run around the corner from the DJ stand. It's only $10.
I see another Shelby GT500 over there.
Where? We sure appreciate it.
Right over there. We need to get
over there.
Yep. Guess. Oh wait. Yeah. I have one in my game.
Oh, on.
One of those that you just saw. What? I watched a video about these cars. Like, yes, these cars have the longest windshield still today.
Oh, really?
Yep. The back windshield, because it curves like a new phone. See? All you can see is the windshield.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So it's longest windshield. Ooh. What is over there? Like a shirt?
What, you want to go over there? All right.
I want to see what those are.
Okay.
What's on the... Oh yeah, right there. Save what Century 2.
Yeah. Well, I want a new Century too, though. So I don't want.
I don't. These are stickers. I want to see.
Is there a sticker?
No, where's the Fords? I want to.
Yeah. So I put a Ford one.
I want the. That
Ford
I want
one.
that on my truck. The USA flag for Fords. How much are they? How much are the Ford USA? $5?
Which one?
The USA one.
Okay, well, just $5.
That one? I'm gonna go get one
Okay.
for my Ford. $5. Here's 5. There we go. Put that in the bag of cars. I'm not gonna show any more of those things because they're inappropriate. So I like it to T-roll and gum stopper or whatever those are. These are cool. Look at this Mustang.
What is up, guys and gals?
It's one of the funny cars. Well, here's some new cars.
Yeah.
Audis. Oh, there's all the new cars.
Where? Let's see.
All this line. But what's it called? The Mustang GT500's over there. What now? What's this?
It's the
Ooh.
new BMW.
Yes. Well, not a BMW. Well, I'll take an Audi. Oh, what are they doing over here?
Oh, there's swap meet.
Huh?
Swap meet.
What's that?
Selling parts, junk, tools.
I want to look over here because I might want to see what tools I would like. Look at this. Now the Jaguar is pretty cool. Porsche too, but this orange sets the mood of Jaguar. This is a whole line. Brian, this is a whole line of Corvettes, and we got a whole line of Thunderbirds. Well, let's go down this aisle. Yellow Mellow. Some people call the Corvettes Yellow Mellow. Nice. But this is what. Now this would like.
16.
I would like this, but older one like those. Like what year should I have? 2010. That's my year, but I want it like that.
Road runners. That was made with long nails and
Wait, look how good.
What?
It's Thunderbird.
Oh, I see. This is
Oh, a much older one here. What the? Whoa. So much other stuff over there. Yes, we need to check out that area. Now, it's getting older and older and older as we go. Now, my teacher, Mr. R, that's my science teacher, want me to buy one of these. A 1966, 67. I forgot what year. We need to go back there because I just saw a Viper. Oh, what do we have here? What is all this stuff? Oh, gadgets.
Yeah.
I actually kind of want to look over there. I just saw a over there a V10 truck.
Oh, let's check that out.
Did you heard about the STR Ram that has a Viper engine in it, and it was stock, and it was freaking fast. I think it was like about 180. The truck can go.
Oh, it can go up to 180.
Yes, because it has. No,
Well, these cars were actually built for racing.
Viper V10, yeah.
These cars were built for like.
Yep.
See, world's fastest production truck. Oh, never mind.
150.
Oh, that's no good.
157.
I thought it was 180 because it has the Viper engine in it. Probably because it's truck, so they don't want to go. Oh, it's a manual.
Yep.
So you get more power.
Yep.
Oh. Maybe Dad could go over there, and because he wants his Mustang to go on the drive. So there it is.
You want to race it?
Yeah. I'm like, what about the Dodge? You're missing out on the little turbocharger in it. Is that in Kansas? Yeah, they've come a long way. Is this in Kansas?
Made it into the finals with a 990 Camaro.
Win's a win's a win.
Yeah.
I didn't race from 1968 until
Yeah, it's down by Arc
Good luck
City.
up there with you guys.
You remember that toy run that we did?
Yeah.
Yep.
Come play with us.
I thought it was Park City.
No, Arc City.
Can any car race in this?
I remember that
Just
car.
about. We have a category called Sportsman that's just for street cars.
She was the fastest female in Kansas.
So it's on this one.
Yep. On our bracket races. How old are you, kiddo?
14.
14. So there's actually a category for you to race without a driver's license.
Oh, look at that.
Are you dad?
No, I'm
Okay.
uncle. I'm
okay,
uncle.
so you can talk to his parents about
Okay.
this. So my son right here is 14. He actually won a Wally this year.
Oh.
There's a new category NHRA started that's called Junior Street.
Okay.
And what it is so junior dragsters have gotten really expensive, and the NHRA sees that there's some people that can run them, but there's some people that can't.
Right.
And so what this category is, it's for kids 13 to 16 years old. They don't have to have a driver's license. They ride with mom, dad, parent, guardian.
Okay.
Come out to the track. Car has to be tagged, registered, and insured. Street vehicle, unmodified.
Okay.
So they ride down the track 5 passes, and then they take their 6th pass with one of us. They take that paperwork and their time slip, send it into the NHRA with $30. They give them a competition driver's license. So then they can come out and race with us. And on May 2nd, we're actually going to have the Crew Chief Nationals, which is junior dragster, 2 categories. We're going to go 10 and under and 11 and over, and then junior street. And so what we're going to have is we'll have a $1,000 purse for junior street, and then $2,000 purses for our junior dragster category. But every bracket race that's on there, every points race, bracket race, we have junior street running.
Okay.
And then they'll even run for a Wally this year too.
They got to run one kind of stock car.
Yep, just a
So,
stock vehicle.
No engine puts, no change.
Nope.
So 2008 Dodge Charger RT.
Yep. As long as it's all stock.
Cool.
It's fun to watch because
That's
he's such a
awesome.
character.
There we go.
Yeah.
Now I want to go now. Now I really want to go now
Ah.
to that. So he said April 4th.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. But look, there's a Shelby.
Ooh.
Now that's probably the best part we ever had. That guy saying that I can drive now.
Yeah. All right, now was there another Shelby you wanted to check out over here?
Yeah, way over there. We'll see you then.